I love learning math, especially in a fun way.
Good job.
Take the first card. And we have in here number 2. So we're going to find number 2 and we will place it in here.
Yay!
Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? Today I'm feeling really excited because we're going to talk and remember about my hobbies and everything that I like. Let's start. I love dancing with Bonbon.
Woohoo!
I really enjoy pouring painting.
Oh, wow!
I'm crazy about building bricks.
Awesome!
Building bricks, starting building bricks. Woohoo! I need some room in here. I don't have enough room. I love role playing, especially making coffee.
Yummy!
I will make a cappuccino now. Let's put it in here. With a bit of sugar and a bit of milk, just like that. I'll use a teaspoon. Wee. There you go. A cappuccino just for you. From Ayu, the barista. I love drawing.
Oh yeah!
Amazing! Oh boy!
I really enjoy exercising and it's really healthy.
Come on, you can do it!
I love charades, especially with Bonbon.
Woohoo!
You're flying. You're an airplane. Oh no, because sorry. Animal. All right, sorry. You're flying. I know. That must be a bird because birds are flying like this. I'm a bird now and I'm flying. Birds fly. So you were a bird. I was correct. High five for me. I love decorating Christmas trees. Oh. I really enjoy learning new things and interesting ones. Where are we? In a cave. Oh, wow, it's so dark here. Oh, and you're so tall. You don't fit in this cave, Bonbon. Oh, we're in a cave. Look at that. This cave looks amazing. Wow, it's dark. Oh. So interesting. Wow. Ooh, wow, what's in here? Oh, is there an echo? Let's think of some animals with spots. So we had the animals with stripes and now we need some animals with spots. Can you tell me some animals that have spots on their skin? Ooh, what's that? What's that? Is it a tiger?
Wow.
Or a lion? Or no, that's a cheetah. Cheetah, yes. This is how a cheetah looks, and it has spots. Cheetah. Cheetah. Oh, there's another animal. What's that? What's that? I think it's a leopard. 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 Ooh, we have two big cats in here. We have a cheetah and a leopard. I love play foam. Oh, who doesn't? We stick the fork into the foam clay. I love learning math, especially in a fun way.
Good
Take
job.
the first card. And we have in here number 2. So we're going to find number 2 and we will place it in here. Oh, look! The balance has changed. So we need to bring it at the same level. How do we do that? We have number 2 in here. And for number 2, we need 2 teddy bears. 1, 2. Let's see if the balance works. Number 2 and 2 teddy bears. Oh, look at that! It's at the same level. I love playing with cars. Who doesn't?
Bravo!
Yes.
Amazing! Amazing!
I love being at the beach, especially with bonbons.
Hi! Hey!
Amazing! Wow! Amazing! Whoops! Whoopsie! Not again!
I love making desserts, especially eating them.
That's delicious!
And some vanilla extract. Woohoo! Look at that! Never seen anything like this.
Oh my goodness. One for you.
I love playing with air clay. Who doesn't? Pom-poms! Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Can't wait to open this, Gigi. Oh, this is so wonderful. Oh, pom-pom. Oh. I'm crazy about pom-poms. Okay? I love singing.
The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town.
I love arts and crafts.
Nice job.
Amazing!
I'm crazy about popping balloons.
Oh, I love it!
4,
Why?